Man, I don't care what it is, man. Every day, the same mission apply for what applied yesterday in this moment. That's all I gotta say. Yes, it gonna have different elements of nature. It gonna have traffic jams. It gonna have potholes. It gonna have delays. But don't let it delay you from continuing to take them steps. No matter if it's one, no matter if it's four, keep stepping. Because you're a stepper. Clydesdale, quarter horse, thoroughbred, step. I love y'all. I'm just being honest, man. Because no matter what we go through,